What is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. In today's video, we are doing a classic spin on a lobster pot pie. So what we're starting out with is a basic roux. We're going to be adding our flour and getting a nice consistent base for our pot pie. And here I'm adding our homemade seafood stock and other seasonings to give it a nice touch. And you see how it's thickening up already, but don't worry because we're going to be adding some heavy cream. So you're going to add that in there and give it a little bit of a creamier consistency. And once that is all combined, you are going to get it ready for the main course, which is your lobster. The sweetness of the lobster is going to go really well with this nice hearty base. And don't worry about throwing out your lobster because it's going to be cooking in this pot as well as the oven. So as you throw your lobster in there, make sure you're combining it and covering it so it's cooking evenly for all of it. And you can remix it, add different vegetables and everything, but right now we are going to be adding cooked diced potatoes. And that's going to give it a thicker consistency and also thicken up the sauce as well. And this is going to bring it all in and combined it, so we're going to heat it up until there's small bubbles around and it's fully combined. And then after that, we're going to add our herbs. And I like to do this towards the end so they don't burn or get scorched, anything like that. And next, we have our pie crust that I made from scratch. Yes, I made this from scratch, so wipe me up. And I'm poking holes in the bottom so it doesn't pop up, lining it with parchment and a pie weight. You don't even know what a pie weight was, huh? Putting you on game. And then you're gonna fill it with your lobster mix and cover it. Yes, cover it like you cover your acne with makeup. Okay, I'm just kidding. And then you're gonna wipe off the edges and crimp the edges as well to give it a nice classic pie look. Scorch the top and put it back in the oven at 375 for about 15 more minutes. And you have a buttery, flaky, hearty, sweet, decadent lobster pot pie. So good, so delicious, and so simple. I am challenging you to make this for your family this fall. See ya.